Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a table in your text documents, not your notebooks, but text documents on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me launch the Goodnotes app on my desktop computer and access one of my documents. In this case here, this example text document here. So what you want to do next is, guys, there are two ways how you can create a table. Option number one, let me just remove that slash here. Option number one, you click into the paragraph line here and use the option at the top, add table. And I'm just going to insert that example default table with 2x2 rows and columns. But you may insert more rows, more columns by using these options here. And that way expand your table. Option number two, you again click into the paragraph line here, but in this case you use the command slash table and use the suggestion command here, and it is going to perform the same action. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.